Welcome to Türkiye. Army Recognition Group is in Istanbul to cover the defense exhibition Saha 2024. During 4 days, Army Recognition Group editorial team will cover the show with daily news and articles. Türkiye, host of the prestigious exhibition, is showcasing its prowess in military technology with local defense giants like Aselsan, Avelsan, BMC, FNSS, Otokar, and Roketsan unveiling their latest developments. The equipment displayed is designed for the modern battlefield, aiming to boost the defense capabilities of national armies and security forces across the globe.
So I'm representing FNSS Savunma Sistemleri AŞ. Actually, I am the Middle and Far East Programs Director, and also I'm responsible for the domestic business development. At Saha Expo this year, we are displaying actually our marine assault vehicles, which we are already delivered to the Turkish naval forces. And also we are displaying our new 8x8 wheeled armored vehicle, which is called Pars Alpha. It is the latest generation of the wheeled armored vehicle, which we have developed and manufactured so far. And also we are showcasing the scale model of the Kaplan armored personnel carrier, which we will be developing and manufacturing for the use of Indonesian armed forces. The APC, new APC which we developed actually derives from the medium weight tank, which is Kaplan medium weight tank, which we developed and delivered to Indonesian armed forces together with our business partner PT Pindad. The Indonesian Army required an armored personnel carrier, a new armored personnel carrier. So then we signed an agreement with PT Pindad for the joint development and production of this new tracked armored personnel carrier, which is called Kaplan APC. So we will actually manufacture two the vehicles. One will be manufactured at FNSS in Turkey, and the other one will be manufactured in Indonesia. The Kaplan APC is a 6-rod wheel tracked armored combat vehicles. Its combat weight is around 30 tons. In the APC configuration, it can carry up to 13 personnel. So we can fit the different weapon systems from the basic 12.7 remote control weapon stations up to the medium caliber or heavier weapon systems like the 25, 30, 40 millimeter manned and unmanned the turret systems can be integrated. And also we can develop the different variants of this platform, such as the command vehicles and the ambulance and the other variants which may be required by the users. We are also working on the unmanned ground vehicles in the heavy class actually. We have developed an unmanned ground vehicle which is called Shadow Rider. So it can be actually remotely controlled, and also now we are also working on the autonomous version of this vehicle. We continue developing this unmanned ground vehicle. So depending on the user requirements, this vehicle can be manufactured and delivered to the armies in the coming years. The autonomous the system kit can be adapted to different platforms, and we have studies for that. By participating at Saha Expo, we are targeting the delegations visiting the show, both from the domestic the market as well as from the international market. We are hoping to find opportunities to introduce our products and our new actually the projects to different delegations visiting the show.
Welcome to Saha Expo 2024 to STM booth. My name is Özgür Güleryüz. I am CEO of STM. STM is one of the biggest and maybe oldest defense companies in Turkey. It was established in 1991. Together with SSP, we are an engineering company focusing on especially advanced engineering technologies. And so we have some different business areas like naval engineering, tactical mini UAVs, command and control systems. And we have many different product portfolio in all those areas. Now in Expo, in Saha Expo, we came with one of the newest products, which is STM NETA 300, which is an autonomous unmanned underwater vehicle. It can be used for both naval purposes and also civilian purposes. That's what we believe, because it has some very advanced sonars integrated in it, so that it takes a very clear picture of the underwater. It can dive up to 300 meters, and it can stay underwater for nearly 24 hours. It follows the pattern that you plan beforehand the mission. It's very portable. 2 persons can carry it easily. It's around 70 kilogram sensor. So once you deploy it from any surface vehicle, it will follow the route, the pattern, and then take the picture of the underwater with the sonars and also the cameras it has in it. And then with wireless communication, it will transfer it to the surface vehicle. So it can be used for mine detection purposes, for example, or underwater rescue operations, and also, for example, the following of the pipelines and the cables underwater. And it can be even used for archaeological purposes because it gives a very clear picture of the underwater. Many other STM products, it will be like a family. This is the first person in the family, let's say that. We plan to grow this family with different features, with different extensions, and so that's what we plan for this area.
My name is Mehmet Çorbacıoğlu. I am working as Business Development Director at Nurol Makina. Today, our second attendance to Saha exhibition, and we are displaying two of our vehicles here. One of them is called NMS, Extended Wheelbase 4x4, and the other one is NMS Light. Those vehicles have significant amount of ballistic protection and also mine and IED protection according to NATO standard. Additionally, other than that 2 vehicles, we are displaying one of our vehicles at Aselsan's booth, which is Ejder Yalçın's MRAP configuration with a significant amount of firepower. It accommodates 25 mm cannon. Nurol Makina's presence in the defense export market is increasing day by day. Recently, as you may know, we have established a factory in Hungary, and within this year, we had an investment made for the UK market as well. Actually, this is a local exhibition in Turkey, but the international delegation attendance is increasing day by day. Today, these 2 vehicles are light armored vehicles. The demand on the light armored vehicles are increasing day by day, so we would like to show our capabilities here.